So hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve the LeetCode question number 242, which is valid anagram. I already solved this question, but we're gonna solve it again with you with the same approaches. I have two approaches for this question. So the question want to tell us that given a two strings S and string, return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. So what the question want to tell us that we have two strings S, string S and string T. If all element of S string is present in the T string, then it is anagram. If not, then it is not anagram. And the character should be not in the sequence wise, like they should not be in the same order of this S string. So if all elements are present in the S and T both are same, then we'll gonna return true as an anagram. Otherwise not. So for that we I have two approach. First approach is that we just need to sort the two strings. First we're gonna sort the S from begin to S dot and we're gonna sort S dot T dot begin to T dot end. It basically sort the S string, and this will gonna sort the T string. So then we're gonna return that if S equal to T. If that, then it is anagram, and we can directly push check one condition that if the size of both string is not same, then that is not anagram. That is obvious that if there is no size match, then there will be some character which will be not gonna present in the other string. So that is not anagram. So we directly can check that here and if t dot size. So if both sizes not same, then we're gonna return false. So yeah, we can directly run this solution. Let's say it is, yeah. So two cases are accepted here. Let's submit this solution so that every test cases we're gonna go through this solution. Yes, we solve this question, but we can do it better. Like we can reduce the time complexity of this code as it has end again because we are using the sort function inbuilt function. So for that we can directly use the map function. We Firstly we're gonna check the same condition that if the size not match, then it will gonna directly return false. Then second condition is that like not condition, we're gonna just create a one map with a character and value integer, and let's give name check or something like that. No, let's give this name frequency. So directly we can check the frequency of the character. This is just a name. We're gonna store. So in map we can store two values, key and value. So as a key we will gonna pass the character, and as a value we're gonna store any integer value, which is basically frequency counter. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna run the for loop for a character of this of S string if like we're gonna frequency of C plus plus. So what this for loop tell us? That just tell us that for loop will gonna run for each and every character of a S string, and the character will gonna store as C, and its character's frequency of C will be gonna counted, will be gonna plus in the integer value. If there is a like it will gonna go to, like for example, let's go for the example. For this, let's see this. So what is gonna do? This will gonna run the loop that for character of S. For a character of S, it means the first character of like in the first half, in the first starting, C will be R, and will gonna count R frequency as one. Then check for A, then C will update to the A, and we're gonna update the frequency of the A from 0 to 1, uh, and that same case will gonna happen for T. So this loop will gonna do that, and we can again loop the one loop, again can run the one loop, care C T for T string. If that element is present in the other T string, then we're gonna minus the frequency. As if there is a so we can directly check at the end, like if the frequency is minus is less than 0, then we're gonna return false, because if the element is present in this groups, and frequency will be 0 for every and each and every character, because it will gonna go through each element first for this for loop. So this for loop will gonna create characters frequency from 0 to number of size of the first thing. Then the second loop will gonna run to minus that frequency. So if minus, it will gonna go through all of this and will gonna minus the frequency. If the frequency of all the elements will be 0, then it will gonna be true that it is a valid anagram. Otherwise, it will not gonna return. It will gonna return false. So will gonna frequency of C will gonna minus minus. And in this loop, we can directly check that if the frequency of the element, sorry, frequency of the element, it means C, is less than 0, then we directly can return the false. Otherwise, after loop, we can directly return the true, as there will be no values more than 0 or less than 0. So we're gonna return true for that. So let's run this solution. Let's see if it is passed. Yes, two test cases are passed, and directly we can submit this solution as well. So let's submit it. So yeah, the solution is submitted. So we solve this question with the two methods. First with the sort inbuilt function sort, and with the use of map data type. So yeah, thank you.